If you have an IRS problem, what you are about to hear may help you avoid financial disaster and even time in jail. Over the next few minutes, you will discover the 3 things you should never tell the IRS. Please pay careful attention, because it is extremely important that you know this information before you speak to anyone from the IRS.
Hello, my name is Jim Gilland. I'm a licensed attorney in the state of Utah and have been practicing law for over 15 years. In my practice, I've seen firsthand the fear and worry that people experience when they're dealing with an IRS problem. It's heartbreaking to know that people have lost their businesses, homes, and even their families because of problems with the IRS. That's why I chose to try to help people in this extremely stressful situation. If you have an IRS problem and find it difficult to understand or deal with, you need to know that it's not all your fault. The federal tax code is so complicated that it's difficult for anyone to understand it completely. Most professionals who deal with tax issues every day are challenged by how complicated our tax system is. So, if you're at odds with the IRS, I'm going to give you some free advice. There are 3 things that you should know before you speak to anyone from the IRS. First, never voluntarily tell the IRS anything unless they have specifically asked you for that information. This tip is extremely important to understand. You must give the IRS only the information they have asked for, nothing else. So do not become friendly with an IRS employee and offer more information than is absolutely necessary. The IRS actually counts on taxpayers who voluntarily give up too much information. You should also know that you have the right to say nothing to the IRS and to have an attorney talk to them on your behalf. So don't be afraid to stop talking or to stop providing information to the IRS at any time. If you're concerned or scared, just tell the IRS employee that you're dealing with that you have decided to retain an attorney. Politely refuse to answer any more questions or to provide any additional information until after you have met with a legal professional. Second, never tell the IRS something you know is not true. Lying to an employee of the IRS is a criminal offense. If the IRS catches you in a lie, you may be charged with perjury. If you think that the IRS won't discover that you've lied to them, you're risking your freedom. Third, you should never answer any question that you don't understand completely. The tax code is so complex, even IRS employees don't completely understand it. So you should not admit to or speak about anything you don't understand. If you're not completely sure about your answer to the question from an IRS employee, you should let them know that you don't know or can't recall. This is important. The IRS will not forgive any tax, penalty, or interest they have assessed against you if they feel you haven't been upfront and honest with them. These 3 tips can help. IRS problems are serious business and they need serious attention. And I'd like to offer you one more thing, a free consultation about your IRS problem. This consultation would be with me in my office and will be private and completely confidential. We can discuss your situation, and after we do, you'll know what your best options are in dealing with your IRS problem. There's absolutely no obligation to you for anything. If you decide that you would like my help with your IRS problem, we'll discuss my fees. If not, after the free consultation, you will know what your best options are to try and solve your IRS problem. All you need to do is call 801-444-9302 to schedule an appointment with me. When you call, you will have taken the first step to get your life back by ending your IRS problem. You may also go to utahtaxattorney.pro for more information. As I said, your consultation with me is free, confidential, and without obligation. I hope to hear from you. Let's see how I can help. Thank you.